Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to toggle the touchpad on Aorus 15. So to toggle the touchpad there are two ways and I'm gonna show you both of them. So the first one is by pressing Fn and F10 key. So as I press on them at the same time, now my touchpad is unlocked and now it is locked. As you can see, I'm moving on the touchpad and nothing moves. So this is the first option. So it's just pretty simple, but you can also do that by going to settings. So for example, if your touchpad is already locked, and if the F10 key doesn't work, even if you instead of pressing Fn and F10 at the same time press on it on just the F10 key, it still just doesn't work, then maybe it's because it was disabled in settings in Bluetooth and devices, touchpad, and now you can disable it here. And now as you can see, I cannot move on the touchpad, and I'm gonna show you how to enable it back after as you can see, as we've just turned it off without the mouse. So first I'm going to close this window to show you how to open it as well. So you just need to click on Windows Q to start searching and search for settings. Then you can click on enter. And now click on tab until you're pointing on home and go to Bluetooth and devices with the arrows. Then click on space. Then click on tab until you're pointing on devices here. And go to touchpad with arrows. Then click on space and click on space again, and now the touchpad is back on. So these are the two ways of enabling or disabling the touchpad. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.